Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to create thumbnails in Capcut. First, open Capcut, then import a video. Then click on this cover option here. From here you can add different type of thumbnails from these templates. Or we can make our own. Click on upload from here. You can select any clip from this video like that. Or you can add some photo from your device. And then add some text by click here. Then edit this text by click on here. From here we can do different types of edits like changing the font of the text, text color, background color, and many other features. From here we can also change our opacity. After that we can add some filter on our thumbnail. We can add a background here for better looking. After that we can add some stickers for better looking. And our basic thumbnail is ready for now. Now click on save and export the video from here. And from the folder we can see our thumbnail. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. And click the bell icon for more updates.